Welcome to our journey through the breathtaking natural landscapes of Estado de Mexico. Often overlooked, this state, nestled in the heart of Mexico, is a treasure trove of biodiversity and natural wonders. From the towering peaks of extinct volcanoes to tranquil lagoons teeming with life, Estado de Mexico offers a glimpse into the wild heart of Mexico. Today we'll explore some of the most stunning and diverse natural spots this state has to offer. We will journey from the high-altitude forests, home to unique and hardy species, to the tranquil waters of lagoons, vital stopping points for migrating birds from across the Americas. Join me as we uncover the hidden gems of Estado de Mexico, where every turn reveals a new marvel of the natural world. Our first stop takes us high into the clouds to the summit of Nevado de Toluca, a slumbering giant and one of the highest peaks in Mexico. This extinct volcano, with its peak often capped with snow, dominates the landscape, a testament to the powerful geological forces that shaped this land over millennia. But the true wonder of Nevado de Toluca lies in its heart. Two crater lakes, shimmering jewels known as the Sun Lake and the Moon Lake, fill the caldera, their deep blue waters a stark contrast to the surrounding volcanic rock. These lakes, fed by rainfall and snowmelt, are not lifeless remnants of the volcano's fiery past. They teem with microscopic life, forming a unique ecosystem at this high altitude. The slopes of Nevado de Toluca are blanketed in a diverse forest home to a variety of plant and animal life. Here, hardy species have adapted to the challenges of high altitude, cold temperatures and thin air. Look closely, and you might spot a white-tailed deer darting through the trees, its coat blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight. Overhead, birds of prey such as the majestic golden eagle soar effortlessly, their keen eyes scanning the ground for signs of movement. Nevado de Toluca is a popular destination for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts, drawn by the challenge of the ascent and the reward of breathtaking views from the summit. As we stand here, surrounded by the raw beauty of this volcanic landscape, it's easy to feel a sense of awe at the power of nature and the resilience of life that finds a foothold even in the most extreme environments. But Nevado de Toluca is just the beginning of our journey. Join me as we descend from these lofty heights and explore the diverse ecosystems that await us in Estado de Mexico, each with its own unique beauty and story to tell. Our journey now takes us north to the tranquil waters of Laguna de Zumpango, a vast lagoon that stands as a testament to the rich biodiversity of Estado de Mexico. Here the pace of life slows, dictated by the rhythms of nature. Laguna de Zumpango is a haven for bird life, particularly migratory species that rely on these wetlands as a vital stopover point on their long journeys. As we glide across the water in a small boat, the air fills with the calls of countless birds. Look there, a flock of American white pelicans, their plumage a brilliant white against the blue sky, skim the water's surface, their large beaks scooping fish from the depths. And listen to the chorus of chirps and trills emanating from the reeds that fringe the lagoon's edge. These are the songs of marsh wrens and yellow-headed blackbirds. Their vibrant colors are stark contrast to the muted greens of the reeds. Laguna de Zumpango is not just a haven for birds. Beneath the water's surface, a hidden world teems with life. Fish dart through the reeds, providing sustenance for the birds above. Turtles bask on logs, enjoying the warmth of the sun. For those seeking peace and tranquility, Laguna de Zumpango offers respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Kayaking across the lagoon's placid surface, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature, is an experience that soothes the soul. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the water, we take our leave of Laguna de Zumpango, carrying with us the memories of this serene and vibrant ecosystem, a place where nature's wonders are on full display. This lagoon, with its rich tapestry of life, leaves an indelible mark on all who visit, reminding us of the beauty and tranquility that nature offers. From the tranquil waters of Laguna de Zumpango, we now journey to a different kind of oasis, a verdant escape from the urban sprawl Desierto de los Leones National Park. Don't be fooled by the name, for this is no barren desert. Just outside the bustling metropolis of Mexico City, a short drive transports us to a world of towering pine trees, where the air is clean and fragrant with the scent of pine needles. Here, within easy reach of millions, lies a natural sanctuary. Desierto de los Leones is a haven for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Miles of well-maintained trails wind through the forest, offering glimpses of the park's diverse plant and animal life. Squirrels scamper through the undergrowth, their bushy tails twitching. Woodpeckers hammer rhythmically against tree trunks, their drumming echoing through the forest. But Desierto de los Leones is more than just a natural wonder. Nestled within its boundaries lie remnants of a rich history. The Desierto de los Leones convent, dating back to the 17th century, stands as a testament to the park's past. The convent, once home to Carmelite monks seeking solitude and spiritual retreat, is now a museum, its tranquil courtyards and silent corridors offering a glimpse into a bygone era. As we stroll through the convent's grounds, it's easy to imagine the monks finding peace and inspiration within these walls, surrounded by the beauty of the natural world. Desierto de los Leones is a reminder that even in the midst of a bustling city, pockets of tranquility and natural beauty can still be found. It is a place where the past and present intersect, where history and nature intertwine to create a truly unique experience. Families can be seen enjoying picnics, children playing and friends gathering, all within this serene setting. As the sun sets, casting a golden light through the trees, the park transforms into a magical landscape. And when night falls, the clear skies reveal a blanket of stars, a rare sight so close to the city. It's a place where one can truly reconnect with nature, finding solace and wonder in every corner. Our journey through Estado de Mexico takes us now to a place where the power of nature is on full display, Cañón del Río Los Remedios. Here, the Los Remedios River has, over millennia, carved a dramatic path through the landscape, creating a canyon of sheer rock faces, adorned with tenacious vegetation clinging to the cliffs. As we stand at the canyon's edge, the sheer scale of this natural wonder takes our breath away. The river, far below, appears as a silver ribbon, its roar echoing off the canyon walls. We descend into the canyon, following a winding trail that hugs the cliff face. The air cools as we descend, the sunlight filtering through the canyon walls, creating a play of light and shadow. The canyon walls are home to a unique ecosystem. Here, plants have adapted to the challenges of limited sunlight and rocky terrain. Lizards bask on sun-drenched rocks, their camouflage blending seamlessly with the surroundings. The Cañón del Río Los Remedios is a popular destination for adventure seekers, drawn by the challenge of rappelling down its sheer rock faces or navigating the rapids of the river below. But even for those who prefer to keep their feet on solid ground, the canyon offers a glimpse into the raw power of nature and the geological forces that have shaped this land over millions of years. As we emerge from the canyon, blinking in the bright sunlight, we carry with us a sense of awe at the sheer scale and beauty of the natural world. Our final destination takes us to the southern edge of Mexico City, to a place where the urban sprawl gives way to a verdant oasis, Bosque de Tlalpan. This sprawling forest, though technically within the boundaries of Mexico City, is geographically part of the state of Mexico, a testament to the interconnectedness of nature and urban life. Bosque de Tlalpan is a breath of fresh air, a place where city dwellers can escape the noise and concrete and reconnect with the natural world. Here families picnic under the shade of towering trees, their laughter mingling with the songs of birds. Joggers and cyclists navigate the paved paths that wind through the forest, enjoying the cool morning air. But Bosque de Tlalpan is more than just a recreational space. It is a vital green lung for Mexico City, helping to purify the air and provide a habitat for a variety of plant and animal life. As we wander through the forest, we are greeted by a symphony of birdsong. Cardinals flash their brilliant red plumage as they flit through the branches. Hummingbirds, their iridescent feathers shimmering in the sunlight, hover at feeders, their tiny wings beating at an astonishing speed. Bosque de Tlalpan is a reminder that even in the midst of one of the world's largest cities, nature can still thrive. It is a testament to the importance of preserving green spaces, not just for the well-being of the planet, but for the well-being of ourselves. As our journey through the natural wonders of Estado de Mexico draws to a close, we are left with a profound appreciation for the diversity and beauty of this often overlooked state. From the towering peaks of Nevado de Toluca to the tranquil waters of Laguna de Zumpango, from the ancient forests of Desierto de los Leones to the dramatic depths of Cañón del Río Los Remedios and the urban oasis of Bosque de Tlalpan, Estado de Mexico has revealed itself to be a land of natural treasures. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.